Hi, good evening. My name is Anjali Gupta and I'm an intern at Ubo Advocate, and according to my task number 28, I need to make a video on any legal topic. So my topic for the video is marital rape. So is an offense which is worse than a murder, as it is an assassination of a woman's dignity which she is destined to suffer throughout her life. Of late, a specific form of rape, which is called marital rape, is being recognized as one of the heinous crimes in the Western world. Marital rape occurs when women's body are outraged regardless of their consent or willingness. This is a very major point. However, women in Indian setting do not make it an issue of complaint because it is against social norms and considered acceptable for man to force their wives to have sex against their will. The term marital rape may be defined as unwanted intercourse by a man on his wife obtained by force, threat of force, or physical violence, or when she is unable to give consent for it. The term unwanted intercourse refers to all sorts of penetration, whether vaginal, anal, or oral, penetrated against a wife's will or without her consent. It may be argued against marital rape as an offense that, consequent to marriage between the spouses, the husband acquires an unquestionable right to intercourse with his wife, and it is her duty to submit to his wishes. The right cannot be retracted by the wife, as husband acquires it by mutual matrimonial consent. However, in US, the women activists oppose this old age traditional view and raise their voice for elimination of marital rape exemption clause on the ground of gender equality. Marital rape, though a scar on the face of civilized society, has not been criminalized in India, whereas US and other civil Western countries have recognized it as an offense, and the judiciary played an active role in providing relief to the women raped by their husband. Though the Indian law recognizes domestic violence against women as an offense, but it is mainly confined to physical harm or torture rather than the sexual abuse of wife.